Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware and the Android TV image so you can flash reliably. You'll pick a compatible device, either an x86 TV box or an ARM device, and download the correct Android TV build, then verify the checksum to avoid corrupt files. Once done, format a micro SD or USB drive and copy the image with a flashing tool. Make sure to have a stable power supply and an HDMI cable ready before you proceed to flashing. Now flash the Android TV image and get to first boot. Use Rufus or Baelna Etcher for disk images or Fastboot for factory images. Follow the tools prompts to write the image to your media. Once written, insert into the device and boot from USB or micro SD using the boot menu if necessary. On first boot, follow the setup wizard. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and set time zone and language. This config stage registers, Play Store access, and basic services. Finish by optimizing performance and knowing one key fix if things go wrong. Install essential Play Store apps, tweak display scaling and sound output in settings, and enable developer options to use ADB or sideload apps. If the device is sluggish, disable background apps and consider a lightweight launcher. If the system won't boot, reflash the image after verifying checksum. If problems persist, try a different build for your hardware or test another micro SD/USB drive. That single step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.